Okay, so in this section, I'm just going to talk about one of the applications of all the content that we learn in class, which is going to be audio processing. So I'll just run this program, show you what it does. And so this is just taking our voice and convoluting it with a sine wave, and you'll get this. So that's kind of like a tremolo effect, and this is the code that actually does it. What it's doing is taking each sample of our voice and multiplying it with a corresponding sample of a sine wave. And what we heard was the addition of all these samples together, which is convolution.
This is a echo effect function. It inputs a signal, then creates a layered version of the original to layer on top. On the bottom, you can see plot points of the echoed version.
For the project, we're analyzing how discrete time system affects an input signal. The system has an impulse response h of n equals delta n minus 1 plus delta n minus 3, which shifts the input by 1 and 3 samples and adds them together. The input is a 5 Hz sine wave sampled at 100 Hz. I use MATLAB to simulate this and convolve the input with the impulse response as seen over here. The peaks in the output signal happen when the input aligns with the delayed impulses at n equals 1 and n equals 3, where the system adds the delayed signals. The flat part of the output shows where no alignment occurs, so no summation happens there. This analysis helps us understand how discrete systems modify signals, and, for example, this is useful in designing filters or communication systems.